This Sankey video visually represents the flow of values between nodes in a process. Here's an explanation of its components and interpretation. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. Nodes. 1. Nodes are represented as rectangles. In this diagram, the nodes are labeled A1, A2, source nodes. B1, B2, intermediate nodes. C1, C2, target nodes. To each node is assigned a vibrant color to make it visually distinct. Links. 1. Links are the flows, curved connections, between nodes. These flows are proportional to their assigned values and are colored differently for easier identification. 2. The thickness of each link corresponds to the value of the flow, indicating its magnitude. Flows in the diagram. From A1. A flow with a value of 8 moves to B1. A flow with a value of 2 moves to B2. From A2. A flow with a value of 4 moves to B2. From B1. A flow with a value of 8 moves to C1. From B2. 2 flows, 4 moves to C1 and 2 moves to C2. Background and aesthetic. The dark background makes the vibrant node and link colors stand out. The title, Sankey diagram with dark background and vibrant colors, attributes the diagram to Pradeep K. Suri. Interpretation. This diagram could represent various scenarios, such as resource allocation, how resources, example funds, materials, flow from sources, A1, A2, through intermediaries, B1, B2, to destinations, C1, C2. Process flows, movement of tasks or activities between stages in a workflow. Energy transfer, in an energy distribution system, showing how energy is split between components. The video diagram visually represents the flow of materials and processes within a production system, including stages for rework and customer returns. Here's a breakdown of the diagram. Nodes, blocks. Each block represents a key stage in the production and logistics process. 1. Raw materials, the starting point for production. 2. Work in progress, WIP materials currently being processed or partially completed. 3. Finished goods, completed products ready for shipping. 4. Manufacturing, the process where raw materials are converted into finished goods. 5. Rework, activities to fix defects in items that do not meet quality standards. 6. Packaging, the stage where products are prepared for shipment. 7. Shipping, the final stage, where finished goods are sent to customers. Links, flows. The links, arrows, indicate the transfer of material or processes between nodes. The thickness of the links corresponds to the quantity of material or effort. Raw materials rightward arrow manufacturing, a major flow indicating the initial production input. Work in progress rightward arrow rework, represents parts that need fixing before moving forward in the production process. Rework rightward arrow packaging, shows corrected items progressing further in the pipeline. Packaging rightward arrow shipping, the final step before delivering the products to customers. Shipping rightward arrow finished goods, highlights returned goods from customers, going back into inventory. Color scheme. Each block has a distinct vibrant color for easy identification. The background is black to enhance visibility and contrast. Title and context. The title, Stock and Production Flow with Rework and Returns, Pradeep K. Suri, emphasizes that the diagram includes customer returns and rework stages. It reflects a comprehensive production flow including feedback loops like returns. The video is titled Stock Flow and Customer Return Bar Charts, and it represents two main categories, stock flow and customer returns. Stock flow data frame. Stock flow value. Raw materials 100. Work in progress 80. Finished goods 60. Customer return data frame. Customer returns. Customer A30. Customer B50. Customer C20. Explanation of the bar chart. The bar chart visualizes data from the two data frames. Stock flow bars. Raw materials, 100 represented by a yellow bar. Work in progress, 80 represented by a teal bar. Finished goods, 60 represented by a purple bar. Customer return bars. Customer A, 30 represented by an orange bar. Customer B, 50 represented by an orange bar. Customer C, 20 represented by an orange bar. Key points. Y-axis, amount indicates the quantity or value of each category. X-axis, categories divided into two main groups, stock flow and customer returns, each with their respective subcategories. Color coding, different colors represent various data points, making it easier to distinguish between them. Insights. Stock flow. Raw materials, highest value at 100, indicating a significant amount of raw materials in stock. Work in progress, second highest at 80, showing ongoing production activities. Finished goods, lowest at 60, suggesting a smaller quantity of completed products ready for sale or distribution. Customer returns. Customer B, highest returns at 50, which might indicate issues with the products purchased by this customer. Customer A, returns at 30, moderately high. Customer C, lowest returns at 20, suggesting fewer issues with the products for this customer. Conclusion. This bar chart effectively highlights the stock levels and customer return rates, providing valuable insights into inventory management and customer satisfaction. By analyzing this data, businesses can identify areas for improvement in their production process and address customer concerns to enhance overall efficiency and satisfaction.